When you have GERD, that flap means it no longer works, the flap. So it stays open. So what happens is the acid that's supposed to go to your stomach keeps going back up. That's GERD. The only way to fix that is for your flap to start to function again. And that's what the barley corrects. But you have to be consistent. So pag sinasabi mo sa akin na, nagbabarley naman, Ate Ton, hindi siya consistent magbarley. Kasi kung consistent siya, nag-correct na yon by now. GERD is one of the easiest. Acid reflux, GERD, constipation, yan yung mga regular na sobrang lack of sleep. Okay? Yung mga ganyan na insomnic, di ba? Insomnia. Yan yung mga sinasabing, tita, ilang taon na nagtitake, insomnia pa rin. It's not true. Hindi sila consistent. Kasi automatic yun sa body. Kunyari, nagyo-yosi ka ng yosi, pero drink ka ng barley. Mawawala yung urge ng body mo for yosi. So eventually, you will stop on your own.